In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I look for before entering a trade. Many people focus only on entries, but the real work happens before that. This video shows a real trade, so you can see what are my thoughts when I'm doing that in real and how I proceed before I press the button. I'm going to break down the things I analyze, the market structure, main levels of support and resistance, patterns I see on the chart, if there are ranges, if there are attraction areas. I also always like to analyze different scenarios in case I'm wrong, and of course, which signals are the entry signals for your trades. We have a nice pin bar candle at this major resistance and support level, this major support level. As I said before, we have a wedge. This is a wedge. I will remove some lines here, which are not really important now. We have a wedge. We have measure moves. We have 1, 2, 3, even 4 and 5. It would be better to wait to the end of the measure move, actually, to this level, but the distance is not so big. If you want to learn more about measure moves in trading, check the link in the description below for a free chapter of my new book, What Professional Traders Really Use. Everything you need to know about measure moves is there. It's important to see a nice reaction here. We have a range. We are at the bottom part of the range, so we have enough space above. And this is what I expected. That's what I draw before. The reward of this trade can be amazing because it could go to the top of the chart again. So as you see, the risk reward ratio is amazing. It's 8.68, 8.6. So we will be making 8 times the risk. So I think many people are going to look at this trade. And it's also a kind of trap, not really a trap, because trap should be crossing this one. That's the reason why I'm going to take a look at the order book in order to see what's happening now. Order is already there. My stop market order to buy it. I only will buy it if price moves back up again. If there are too many sellers right now, the sellers are going to put their stop losses here, and these stop losses are going to fuel my trade upward, and that is what I'm looking for every time when I trade. I look for sellers or buyers trapped who have to exit their positions, and I want to be in that place where these exiting sellers are, because there you have the biggest moves. That's the reason. That's something I explain in my book as well. It's called Stop Loss Hunting, and there is also quite a nice explanation in the book about why W patterns and VW patterns work so nice. So if you want to check on that, just when you understand that theory, it's possible to make strategies around that based on stop loss hunting and such things. They work because it's based on price action. It's not based on, as you can see, I don't have any indicators on my chart. So I just need the price. I just need some trend lines, some channels. I just need to know where ranges are, where the biggest volumes are. And that's enough. That's enough to make decisions which have a huge edge in the market. The second thing you have to do, of course, is to be very careful with your risk management and treat it the right way. That's all. I mean, it sounds easy, but when you do that, you need discipline in order to follow these rules 100%. But when you follow them, it's almost crazy how much money you can do out of it. So let's wait for this trade. For the moment, nothing happens. I have my stop order here, and I'm waiting for this to get filled. Probably price is gonna move down to this level, and then move back up again. We'll see what happens. This is also a trap level. We see here a trap level didn't work. Trap level. This is almost a trap level. Another thing you have to take into account is this distance, the distance between the valleys. What I mean by that is when the valley is, the next swing low is a certain distance away from the previous swing low, the third swing low must be more or less at the same distance, which means here. So we're quite at the same position, so this is the right place. We have confluence, we have same distance between swing lows, we have end of the wedge, we have a round number, we have volume, a lot of volume there, we have a support level, and we have the fifth measure move. So what else do you want to have? I mean, more confluence, it's impossible. And we have a trap, nice trap signal.